by sitting down. You have to stand up and walk. Somewhere on the way you will fall down. Don't arrange a self-pity party. Stand up. Go out there. We appreciate what you have done. You are leaving your footprints. If you had sat down, we would not be seeing where you have passed. Second principle says, when it is dark, you don't curse the darkness, you light a candle. Hold it in your mind. Books are there to light a candle. Don't be proud of doing dark things. The only person that I want you to compete with is the person that you were yesterday. Never compete with another person. Compete with yourself. Muhammad Ali said, after I realized that I cannot become somebody else, I decided to be myself. But I chose not just to be myself, but to be the best of myself. As we give you these books, we are saying, grow. Be the best of yourself. Last request. Please make an impact in this world and give us a reason to cry when you are dead. We attend funerals and I hear people crying. Sometimes I look at the coffin and say, have we lost anything for you? I have taken long already, but thank you very much. Do your best. Give us a reason. In some funerals we cry not because we say we have lost anything. In some funerals we cry because we say, but God, why only now? But God, why didn't you solve this problem for us now? In some funerals we cry not because we are crying for you inside the box. We cry because we are crying for the box. We say, what a waste. But it's up to you. Make a difference. Let me leave you with a simple Chinese proverb. It says, these books are in your hands. Okay? The library is in your hands. The world is in your hands. And a simple Chinese proverb says, a good medicine in the hands of a fool can become a dangerous poison. And a dangerous poison in the hands of a wise person can become a good medicine. It's in your hands.
Okay, thank you. That's been said, Dr. Mdhluli. And you know what? I'm very proud to announce namuhla ukuthi I was acknowledged